my name is Jessica and this is my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe down below and turn on your post notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. I'm trying to speak a little bit slower. I was editing a video and I'm like, is this on fast forward? And it wasn't. I was just speaking so fast that I wasn't even breathing, so I am trying to like slow down a little bit. I'm unboxing some stuff. If you guys haven't checked out my last video, go check it out. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers on here and I'm doing a huge giveaway, so don't forget to check out that giveaway and enter. I just have some Borboleta goodies. I am a Borboleta insider, so these are the lashes I love to use. I also purchased their new asymmetrical curve gel pads. The ones that I personally love to use are some from Amazon, these, and I also use their original ones, the ones that are just the regular curve. But these have been a huge, like, everyone on Instagram is raving about them, so I wanted to try them out. Their packaging is so cute. It's like matte and then shiny down here. They have their little Borboleta butterfly right there. And they come individually packaged like this, so it's a little bit cuter than the way they used to be packaged. This is actually really cute. I can't wait to try them out. So I actually got the 24 pack. They also have different another pack, I think a 12 pack, but I got the bigger size. And if you guys want to see, if you guys are interested on which lashes I restocked on, these are just lashes that I use on a daily basis, so I have to continuously repurchase. This is C15 11 millimeters. This is another C15 10, a C5 11 millimeters, and then just a D7 13 millimeters, and then a D5 12 millimeters. I love that these already have the top on them, so I don't have to mess around and do stickers. If you guys have seen my updated lash cart, you know that I do my own little ways to label them, but Borboleta is amazing and they already have those up there, and they also have them down here for you. Okay, next thing that I am unboxing is Lash Icon. You guys, I'm so excited for this. You guys have no idea. I've been dying to get my hands on her adhesive and her new tweezer line. If you don't know who Lash Icon is, have you been living under a rock? You guys should definitely go check her out. She's so cute. Look at these boxes. They're just to die for. Let me do a close-up because this definitely deserves a close-up. So it says Lash Icon, made with love. It says money may not buy us happiness, but I'd rather cry with lashes on. So cute. And then it has her little lash icon here. It has a lash icon over here. It has a girl with a beautiful highlight on the top, her little X. So cute. This is like her color scheme. So we open it up and it says Lash Icon, thank you for your purchase. And it's a little note, hope you fall in love with your new products. I love to see a cute unboxing. Keep being the queen you are. I love her so much. Okay, so it comes really cute. Ta-da! Wanted to try out her Lash Icon super glue. I'm not sure if she had it in stock when I purchased her lashes, but I have her lashes here. I have 0.7 cc curl and then a D curl. I have all the lengths. I've never ever tried 5 millimeter lashes, and hers come with 5 millimeters, so I'm really excited. They are tiny, and I'm really excited to do like layered looks with these lashes. So I have her lashes, I have her adhesive, and now her tweezers. I'm not sure if both of these are in her new release that she just dropped, but I got two. Her packaging is sickening. I'm obsessed with her vibe. I'm obsessed with her aesthetic. Guys, look at that shiny black, and I think this one right here is matte black. These are beautiful. I wanted this specific tweezer because, oh, there's lashes on there. She hand tests all her tweezers, but I've never seen a boot like this. It's not an L tweezer, like a 45-degree angle. I'm not sure what this is called, but I've never seen anything like it. Then this one is called the Flex. Let's open this up. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's matte black. What is this? Oh, it's a classic lash. So this is more for isolation. I do use a tweezer just like this. So these are my favorite tweezers. I only have one pair of each. Thank the Lord I haven't dropped them. I only have one pair, like I said, but they're pretty similar to the ones I just got. So this is Lash Affair, this is Lash Icon. The angle is pretty similar. The tension is different. This one is super duper easy to squish down. This one's a little bit harder. And then the tweezers, Lash Affair and Lash Icon. So you can see the boot is completely different. This one is like super straight and this one kind of points up, so you can see it points this way, this one points straight that way. So I'm really excited. The length is pretty similar, so it's going to be very comfy for my hand, and the tension is pretty even on both of them. My battery had died, but let's get back to the unboxing. This next packaging is from, can you tell, Maven. I am so excited. Trina came out with these LayLow palettes. Let's open it. That's how it looks. It's so cute, little orange box. I only ordered one of them. If I fall in love, I might be ordering more, but the reason is I purchased these because they come with a little case. I haven't been fanning or practicing my lashing at home as I used to. I used to take my big case and lash almost every night at home. Now I kind of stopped doing that, but let me show you. I am definitely not going to be carrying this big case with me. This is where all my palettes are. I'm not going to carry that home with me. I also have these little palettes, but it doesn't come with a cover, so they would get like messed up. Also, Borboleta has like their glass palettes that I also use, but they just weren't working for me. I was like, I need something that I can take home with me without having to take all of them. This, guys, let me show you. It's funny because I just unboxed Lash Icon and Maven on this video, and they are both on my vision board. So I want to definitely train with Lash Icon, Maven, and Luxe Uncut this year. If you guys haven't checked them out, why, go check them out. I'll have their links down below, but they all three offer trainings and they are a must in my book, and they are just some people that I really want to train with this year, and I definitely am going to train with them this year. But they are right here. So let me show you the palette. A lot of different brands carry this similar palette. I have seen who carries them. Oh, okay, so drop test, it passed. A lot of different brands carry palettes that are super similar to this one, but the difference is, so you can see right there, I'm not sure if you can see that shine, it's a LayLow, so it doesn't have a shine to the actual palette itself. It has a little carrying case, so when I do practice my fanning at home, I can just put it in my little carrying box here, and I don't have to deal with my lashes getting messed up or me having to carry that big old thing over there. Okay, so I started doing this and I forgot I was filming. I'm going to show you how I place my lashes on my little lash palette. So this is the Maven palette. I didn't get to show you guys up close. It has her little logo here. It says Maven engraved. Very minimal. I love that. As you guys know, I hate logos that are like too extravagant or anything like that. Then her little top for the palette has her little logo on here as well. So how you place your lashes on your tile, I'm already doing them kind of crooked, but it doesn't matter. The good thing is that they're on there, right? So you want to grab your tweezers, some tweezers that you are not isolating or anything like that, because you might get some gunk on them and that will be a pain if you're trying to place a lash and then the lash is stuck on the tweezer. So use some tweezers that you do not want to, that you're not using at the moment. So I already have 13s, 12s. Let's go in and do 11s. So what you do is you kind of get that tip and just like flick it, and you can see it just smoothly comes off. So satisfying. I freaking love doing new tiles. So then what you do is you place it down one side, you go like this, you grab your other side and you place it down. I go like this. What I like to do is go behind it and kind of just touch it lightly like that. Not too much pressure, but a light pressure, so when you're fanning or anything like that, you don't have little gaps in between, then it starts lifting on you. That's going to be very annoying. So again, what you want to do is, let's do 10. Here's, is that 10? No, that's 11. 10's right here. So you kind of get your tweezer from one side or this side, whatever side is easier. You go in and you flick it. Once it's flicked, then you can lift it up. Hers have foil backing, so that is a plus in my books. I love foil backing. It's easier to peel and nothing sticks on your palettes. You place it down like this. Doot, doot, doot. And then you grab it and you pull it. Go from the back, lightly go, lightly go like that. And you start building your palette. I like to go from longest to shortest. You can do whatever you like. So if you prefer to go from shortest to longest, you can also double up numbers. So if you know you use a lot of 12s, you can put 2 12s on here. I like to just keep it at 1 curl. You can also do 2 curls. I wouldn't recommend with lash icons because on hers you can't, there's no curl on here or diameter on here, but if you go like this, you can also see like what is curlier. So you definitely probably can get away with doing different curls and different diameters if you are a little bit more experienced. But if you're not, try to keep each palette a little bit different so you don't do something different on your client, like on your notes. Go check out how to keep your client notes up there. If you use my discount �ＪesicaVXO on Maven's consent forms, you get 20% off. So go check that out. You don't want to be like messing up your client's lashes, so I would stick with 1 curl and 1 length on a palette. But if you're more experienced and you feel like you can definitely do that, go ahead, girl. You do you. You do you. Went back and kind of straightened them out because there were some that were super duper crooked and it was kind of annoying me, but they were still super sticky. So you could definitely lift up and place it back down and nothing stuck on this palette. No residue was left behind. Now let's try out the tweezers. I'm going to be fluffing the lashes up real quick before I start fanning. I always keep a clean spoolie on hand anytime I start doing my volume lashes. I kind of just fluff them up just so the fibers are not sticking together and they're easy to fan out. I'm going to first be using my original tweezers and seeing how these fan, because I haven't used these lashes to fan with. Ooh, I'm getting a little bit better on my pinching as well, guys. If you guys haven't checked out my pinching video, I was so freaking frustrated. These are fanning beautifully. Ooh, I like them. Wow. Whoa, whoa. Let me see if you guys can see my little fan. I don't know why my camera is not that good at focusing. It kind of sucks, guys. Wow, these lashes seriously fan like butter. I wanted to give it a fair try because sometimes when you lash with new tweezers and new lashes, you're like, what's like messing me up? Is it the tweezers? Is it the lashes? But the lashes are perfect. If you can see here, they fan so beautifully. This is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 a 70 fan. Oh, okay, so you see, I'm so used to when I practice just throwing the fan away, just like practicing and throwing away. What I would do before is I have this little like medicine case. You can see some pro-made fans in here. 𝒀𝑶𝑖'𝑚𝑯𝑬𝑹 actually shows you how to do these. So if you go to her Instagram, you can see exactly how she does it. But what you want to do is you want to grab microfoam tape and you want to place it down here so they can stay upright. Go check out her Instagram TV video to show you how. But now that I'm going to be using this, I'm really excited. Let me now use her tweezers. I am really nervous. This is a beautiful shape. Let's see. Oh my god. Amazing. It's gonna get some time to get used to it because it was like a little bit like, ooh, I don't know where to place it. But this I think will be my next favorite tweezer. Let me try one more time. Are you stinking kidding me? Come on, Lash Icon. She came through with these tweezers. I love you, but I think I have a new favorite, guys. Okay, so what is going to be in my kit to take home is going to be definitely my little LayLow palette. So, of course, lashes. I need in here some microfoam tape, so when you crystallize your lashes, you're not using your fingers. Oh, and this little baggie has like little compartments. So as you can see, my little tape is in this little baggie. It's so cute. So I'll have that. I have my little jade stone. This actually comes with the Borboleta glass palettes. Comes with your little jade stone right there. I have a couple of them. I have another one in here. This one is super duper disgusting, I think. Oh no, it's not. I think I already cleaned them out. So I did have my lash tile in here with lashes, and the lashes were just so crumpled up because Borboleta doesn't unfortunately have anything to store your palettes in. But that's why I am seriously obsessed with this LayLow palette, because you can throw it in your bag and it doesn't mess up your lashes. So I'm taking my little jade stone. Of course, you need adhesive. I'm going to be trying Lash Icon super glue. Tweezers. You should definitely invest in a tweezer case like this. So it is magnetic. Oh, cool. This one has like a little thing. So it's magnetic. I was like, is it not? Yes, it's magnetic, so your tweezers don't fall out. You just place them on here and they are good to go. They are protected, so if they fall or anything like that, you don't get any nicks, twists on your tweezers. A little mascara wand with a cover so you can fluff up your little lashes. Piece of tape. Yeah, that's about it. I usually bring this bag as well, so this is where I'm going to be placing all my other goodies. I usually carry around this huge acrylic box, so I'm so excited I don't have to do that. It is pretty big, super heavy. This is so much lighter, and it just gives me so much joy to be practicing my fanning at home. If you haven't checked out my giveaway, it's the previous video of this. It'll be linked down below. I finally hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm giving away a ton of goodies, so go check out that video. If you guys like this little mini unboxing haul, I'm not sure what this video was about. It was really random. Give it a thumbs up. If you guys didn't like it, give it a thumbs down so I could know. Subscribe down below, hit that notification bell so you can be notified the next time I post a new video. And until then, bye my loves.